हाँ जी दोस्तों, क्या हाल है क्या हाल है क्या हाल है। आई होप यू आर ऑल डूइंग रियली रियली वेल। दोस्तों, this is an amazing and very important video because I'm super excited to announce something that I have been working on for the last 2.5 months. Yes, you heard it right. Friends, as you must be knowing that you have an exam called Set A Law, which is a self-paced online module. And a lot of students in the South had requested me, sir, we cannot understand your Hindi language. We want to learn from you, but we are not able to understand the language. So I decided that in 2024-25, considering that AI has advanced so much, I have decided to conduct the most demanded course, which is the 35 hours course for Set A Law. And here I am announcing 100% English batch for your SPM 35 hours law. Sir, is this going to be a live batch? No. Is this lecture already recorded? Yes. Is it going to be in English? It is going to be completely in English, 100% in English. Now, listen to me very carefully, guys. What are the features of this batch? So, in this batch, we are going to cover the 100% syllabus in just 35 hours. And not only from SPOM point of view, but also from your paper 6 point of view, which covers at least 15 marks of law. Number two, in this batch, we are also going to cover 200 MCQs and more than that because SPOM is completely an MCQ based paper. Number three, you wouldn't believe that all the revision videos and revision audios have also been converted, and now you can enjoy them for when you enjoy this batch along with each and every chapter. The revision videos have also been has also been dubbed in English. You have to understand, guys, AI, human involvement as well as artificial intelligence, has done an amazing job. All the concepts those were covered in English Hindi are properly translated in English. So let me tell you a little bit. So what they do is, first of all, they let AI translate it. After that, one person from the tech department used to review the whole conversion, and then five students have thoroughly reviewed each and every lecture to see. And those students did not understand Hindi. So they reviewed each and every lecture to see if they are understanding anything or not, and if there is any issue, that was being rectified. And these 35 hours were thoroughly reviewed and prepared. So you'll find the same methods, the same concept, 100% same content. Scribble method will be used. What is scribble method, sir? I'll teach you during the classes. And then when even you hear the lectures, you will find a natural English accent. It is not that we have taken some American accent or some other accent. It is going to be a normal, natural English accent. So you're going to enjoy it. And along with this, you're going to get my amazing books, which summarizes your whole law syllabus in just 240 pages. And along with that, MCQ booklet also, in order to ensure complete preparation. Now, please listen to me. This sessions are very important because it also covers concepts which are relevant for your paper 6 IPS. And more importantly, you are going to also get the demo videos. So on YouTube tomorrow, I'm going to upload the lecture 1 of this SPOM. This lecture is basically a 2.5 or 3 hours lecture, which is completely dubbed in English. So let me give you a disclaimer in advance. There is one problem which happens with dubbing, and that is lip sync. Lip sync is basically, now when I'm speaking a word, my lips are syncing in the same direction. But for those lectures, because words are in Hindi, but audio is in English, there won't be any lip sync. But trust me, you don't have to buy the lectures before you see the demo. Trust me, spare 2.5 hours or 3 hours for that demo. And then you will realize it doesn't matter because I'm into writing my own, and I'm into listening more rather than seeing. And even if I'm looking, I'm not looking at the teacher, I'm looking at the screen. So you will understand that it doesn't matter that much. But of course, you are the one who is going to tell me whether it is right or not. But sir, why should we do so much of adjustment? Why, sir? Number one, sir, could you not teach 35 hours English properly like you are doing this one? See, for me, studio recording is very difficult. So for inter law, I'm going to teach in English and I'm going to teach myself. But then I'm going to have students in front of me, so it becomes relatively easy. Now for English, studio recording of 35 to 40 hours becomes very difficult, and I was scared. What if I don't provide the same quality of content? So I decided, let's keep the content intact because that has been taken and approved by a lot of students. So you just have to make sure that you what do you have to do? You have to ensure that you are giving it a shot. But I can tell you very confidently that the content that you're going to find in these 35 hours are probably going to be the best content that you have ever come across. Trust me, no problem, no worries. You watch the demo lecture, you give your 3 hours, and then you decide. Tomorrow the demo lectures are going to be uploaded. And more importantly, let me tell you, I am here for your complete doubts of SPOM also. So in my app, when you purchase the lectures, you are going to get access to my app. In the app, you will see a doubt support wherein you can send your doubts, and I will respond to it within 24 hours. All right. So please ensure why, because earlier I did not used to put so much of effort into responding doubts because I saw people are clearing SPM. But when I saw the weightage of law in paper six, I realized each and every concept of a student should be cleared. And that is when I decided I'll take doubts of SPM also aggressively, and I have a predefined schedule for that. So do make sure that you are going to give it a shot, and you can go and purchase these lectures once you are confident. And this is an 100% English dubbed lectures. Sir, how do I go and purchase this? So you will find a link of shubhamsinghal.com in the description. Once you go there, you will see one listing of CA Final SPM Set A Law. I'll add some words here, English and Hindi, but when you go there, you'll see a language drop down. In the language drop down, there are two language drop downs. One is Hindi English original, and the other one is 100% English dub. So once you select the 100% English dub, and then in the batch you can select the set A, and in the books you can select no hard copy books, and then you're going to get this lectures. Now you have a special discount for the first 100 students who are going to give this a shot. If you purchase on or before this 5th of next month, 5th of the coming month, you can use the code CA Buddy, and you're going to see amazing discounts on this particular product only for English. All right. So, guys, the intent, wholeheartedly, the intent was because I have some good quality content made, and because you need the same. The language cannot be a barrier. So, I and my team has put a lot of effort into making sure that you get the right content. And I promise you personally, openly on YouTube, that you're going to love it. Basically, you have to give it a shot. You have to let me know how it goes. And any feedback you have, genuinely, I am here to listen to you, because we are entering into a new world and we are trying out something new, which could be a change of an era, right? So do make sure that you give it a shot, because there have been people who have dubbed lectures, but not a single course completely dubbed into English and then translated for you. So do make sure you let me know how it goes. And I will keep in touch with you. Once you register, I'm going to reach out to you after a while to see how it is going. All right, guys. I will see you in the next video. If you like the idea, if you appreciate the efforts, do let me know in the comment. It works or doesn't work, it doesn't matter. It's secondary. What matters is we are putting efforts, right? And you should too, so that the content reaches to you. I will see you in the next video. Let me know in the comment how you like it, and you can check out the description for the link. I'll see you in the next video. Do make sure you hit the like button. Until then, this is your CA buddy Shubham Singhal signing off. Bye bye.